In this video, we're going to look at some of the additional functionality provided by list views in Sage 200C. As you can see, we're working with the customer list, but the list views in all the modules are customizable in the same way. You can add columns to your lists by right-clicking anywhere in the grid and hovering over the columns menu. We're going to add the customer credit limit and contact email address to this list. And columns can also be dragged to different places in the list. Obviously, the available columns will differ depending on which list you are working with. All the lists have a free text search box at the top. You can enter a value in here and hit enter, and it will return all the records in the list with a match. If you wanted to see a selection from your list that matched specific criteria, you can create filters. Click on the filter icon on the top of the list to create a new filter and then click New. We're going to call this one High Balance. If you want the filter to be available for all users, tick the box to make it public, and then build the conditions to return the data you're looking for. We're going to say where balance is greater than, let's say, £5,000. Click Save, and then Close, and then your filter will be available to select from the drop-down next to the filter icon. We now have a cut-down list showing our customers with a balance over £5,000. You may be aware that you can use the function buttons on the top banner to perform an action on specific records you've highlighted in the list. For example, view orders. But if you highlight a selection in the list and then choose an action like view orders, you will see you now have scroll buttons which will allow you to page through the selected records. This can be an extremely useful function when working with multiple records. And of course, list views can be exported to Excel. Simply right-click in the list, export. You can either export all records or just a selection, and it will populate an Excel spreadsheet for you, as you can see in this example. And those are just a few of the tips on how to get the most out of lists in Sage 200C.